Hey everybody, Kelly here at Reviewing Virtuously with another travel review. Today we're visiting Jack Shack on the island of Grand Turk. Well, this could very well be my all-time favorite beach bar directly on the beach. It's also a great location, just a short walk from the cruise port. I hear you can also rent a golf cart at the cruise port if you don't want to walk. But for those of you who'd like to take a stroll, just get off the ship and with the ship behind you, walk left along the beach. You'll have to walk through the cruise port shops and then past Margaritaville, also a great place to visit. Go to the beach and walk about 10 to 15 minutes until you reach Jack Shack. That's my husband over there in the crazy Santa shorts. It's Christmas time. We actually came here a week before Christmas. But the water here, oh my gosh, it is absolutely beautiful. It's the perfect temperature, and it's also a lot of salt in it, so it's very buoyant. You can go out there and just float. It's nice and calm. It does get deep very quickly, but it's wonderful for wading. Oh, this is Topher. He's the resident dog here at Jack Shack, and he is so much fun. He loves to swim in the water, and you'll often catch him digging in the sand, and he's a lot of fun to watch. He's got a lot of energy. Oh, we're just relaxing on the lounge chairs. This is my daughter Shannon and myself, just chilling out. They are very welcoming here. When you first arrive, they will start pulling out lounge chairs for you to lie on. And the lounge chairs, they are free, which is great. The umbrellas are $10 each though, and I do recommend getting those because there is a lot of sun here. That's our Carnival cruise ship right over there. You can actually see just how close it is to Jack Shack. Now on this side we're looking at the Mega 1 Triton, which is a ship that drifted in with Hurricane Sandy back in 2012. Lovely place to go visit. Take a short walk down there, and you can't get through this pier, so you have to go inland and just walk. Again, about a 10-minute walk. The beach is absolutely stunning there. If you think it's beautiful here, just picture a more serene, quiet beach, and you can go down there and swim around the ship. Take a look at my other video. I have a video also on there, the Mega 1 Triton. I have a link to that video posted down below in the comments. So you might be wondering by now, who is Jack? Well, this is Jack. Jack moved down here from a colder climate some years ago with his family, and they opened up this beautiful beachside bar and grill for all of us cruisers to enjoy. They do have food, and it is wonderful. You have got to try the jerk chicken. So let's head on over to the bar now. Meet Jack. We're going to get some live footage with my family and my fun friends at the bar having some drinks.
Jack, you need to do it with us. If he can't get it,
Jack has a lot of lounge chairs to clean up at the end of the day.
are we doing shots?
Jack Shack, when you get off the ship, just turn left and keep on walking